All right, we're here today. Um, I'm gonna ring this singing bowl. If you have any AirPods, earbuds, or anything like that, um, or if you're on a PC or whatever you may be on, you might want to turn the volume down. And I'm gonna ring this singing bowl. All right, here we go. All right, this video. Before I get started, um, like, subscribe, share. This I want to give thanks to those that have been liking. I want to give thanks to those that have been subscribing to my channel. I want to give thanks to you guys because without you, there would be no me, and my voice would not get heard. So I want to say thank you for putting out the message. I really, really appreciate it. Because of you, I wouldn't be, you know. So I just wanted to say thank you for um, for subscribing. I really, really appreciate it. I couldn't do it without you guys. You guys really, really, showing up, you know, and I really, really appreciate it. So, um, and thank you for some of you guys are liking my videos, my content. I try to put out content that is likable, but sometimes it's not likable because sometimes it could be something people don't want to hear. Sometimes it could be something that people just will not understand. And yeah, thank you. I really, really appreciate it. Um, the more people subscribe, the um, uh, more people subscribe and like, the more I can get more followers. And the more I get followers, the more I can get out and get into the spiritual community. I know this is one way of doing it via um, internet, but I really like to be hands-on first, personal with people, and especially people that I'm working with now, I'm healing and things of that nature. So thank you, thank you, thank you. This means everything to me. This means, a lot. So what I want to talk about today is going to be your spiritual, your spiritual animal, or whatever you may have that comes to you. What do you see the most? We all have spirit guides that guide us. What you see the most of, and for me, it is cardinals, it is blue jays, um, it is hawks. These are spirit guides for me. Also, praying mantis, butterflies. These things that I see that come to me on my Facebook page. Um, you would see on some of my Facebook pages, you would see a mantis that's on my hand. Also, ladybugs. These things are spirit animals. So that usually means that you have to, you know, look and see the meaning of it, find out what the meaning of it, whether it be through shamanism or whether it be through biblical reasons. Find out what they mean, what these animals, these totems mean to you, and what you get out of it. Now, also, you can also have in the spirit world, totem animals as well. For me, again, there's hawks, but there's also in the spirit world for me, and that is a griffin. Also in the spirit world for me, that is the sun. Also in the spirit world for me, it is the phoenix. So these are totems that are my spirit guides and spirit guides that come to me in different forms, whether it be in the etheric world or whether it be in the 3D world or 5D, whichever you like to put it as or believe it to be. So if you understanding what I'm saying, you overstanding what I'm saying, you are resonating with what I'm saying, like, subscribe, share, pass this message on. It may help someone. Each one teach one. The Lion of Judah, ancestor of the lions, out.